Traveling opens up the world to new experiences, but it also comes with its own set of challenges, especially when it comes to security. Whether you're dealing with the risk of lost devices, emergency situations, or simply trying to protect your personal data, having the right travel security apps can make all the difference. In this journey, we will explore the most essential travel security apps available today, explaining what they are, how they work, and the benefits they offer to ensure your safety while you explore the world. Subscribe for more adventures. What they are. Travel safety and alert apps provide real-time updates on potential risks, like natural disasters, health outbreaks, political instability, or other safety threats in your travel destination. They can help travelers stay informed and make decisions based on the current safety environment. How they work. These apps pull data from credible sources like government agencies, international organizations, and real-time monitoring systems to give you the most up-to-date information. Alerts might come via push notifications or email, depending on your settings. Benefits: timely notifications. Receive immediate alerts about emergencies, civil unrest, or natural disasters. Location-specific info. Get tailored advice for the specific region or country you're visiting. Peace of mind. Stay informed about potential risks, helping you avoid dangerous areas or situations. Popular apps: Smart Traveler, a U.S. government app providing country-specific travel alerts and information. GeoSure offers safety ratings based on crime data and health risks in specific neighborhoods. What they are. Emergency assistance apps provide direct access to emergency services, first aid information, and ways to alert loved ones in times of need. They often feature GPS tracking and SOS buttons to notify others of your location. How they work. These apps integrate with emergency services and allow users to request help or send alerts. They can also provide first aid tips or guide you through emergency situations, such as performing CPR or dealing with common travel injuries. Benefits: quick access to help. Directly contact emergency services wherever you are. First aid guides. Learn how to handle medical emergencies while on the go. SOS alerts. Send distress signals to contacts and emergency responders. Popular apps: Red Cross First Aid provides medical advice, first aid tips, and step-by-step guides for handling emergencies. Be Safe allows users to send an SOS alert with their GPS location to pre-selected contacts. What they are. VPN, virtual private network apps, are used to encrypt your internet connection, masking your location and protecting your data when using public Wi-Fi networks, such as those in airports, hotels, or cafes. How they work. A VPN routes your internet traffic through a secure, encrypted connection to a private server, hiding your IP address and making it harder for anyone to intercept your online activities. This ensures that your sensitive data, such as passwords, banking information, and personal communications, remain secure. Benefits: secure public Wi-Fi use. Safely browse the internet on public networks. Privacy protection. Keep your online activity private from hackers or surveillance. Access geo-restricted content. Unblock websites and services that may be restricted in certain countries. Popular apps: ExpressVPN, a widely trusted VPN service offering fast and secure internet browsing. NordVPN, a popular VPN with strong encryption protocols and a large server network. CyberGhost, known for its user-friendly interface and robust security features. Password Manager apps. So, what are they? Password Manager apps store, generate, and manage your passwords securely. They make it easier for travelers to access their accounts without the risk of forgetting passwords or using unsafe practices like reusing passwords. How do they work? These apps securely store all your login credentials and generate strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts. Many password managers also offer encryption to protect your data, and you can access your information from multiple devices with secure login methods like biometrics or multi-factor authentication. The benefits are numerous. Secure password storage. Keep all your passwords safe in one encrypted location. Ease of use. Autofill login forms to save time and effort. Generate strong passwords. Ensure your passwords are unique and difficult to crack. Some popular apps include LastPass, a reliable and widely used password manager that offers encrypted storage and password generation. Then there's 1Password, known for its excellent security features and easy-to-use interface. And finally, Dashlane, which provides strong password management and an automatic security breach alert feature. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA apps. What are they? Two-factor authentication apps provide an added layer of security for your online accounts. They require something you know, like your password, and something you have, such as a code generated by the 2FA app, to log in. So, how do they work? After entering your password, you'll receive a temporary code generated by a 2FA app that you must enter to complete the login process. This makes it much harder for unauthorized users to access your accounts, even if they have your password. The benefits are pretty clear. Enhanced security adds an extra layer of protection to your online accounts. Easy to use. Many apps can integrate directly with your favorite services like Google, Facebook, and more. Real-time protection, instant alerts, and access to secure codes whenever needed. Some popular apps include Google Authenticator, one of the most widely used 2FA apps for Google and other services. There's also Authy, a secure and cloud-backed 2FA app that syncs across multiple devices. And lastly, Microsoft Authenticator, a robust option for users of Microsoft accounts and other online services. Anti-theft and device locator apps. What they are. These apps help you locate a lost or stolen phone, lock it remotely, or erase its data to prevent sensitive information from falling into the wrong hands. How they work. Using GPS and network data, these apps allow you to track your device's location in real time. Many apps can lock your device or wipe all data remotely to protect your privacy. Benefits. Remote tracking. Find your lost or stolen device anywhere in the world. Data protection. Remotely erase sensitive data to prevent identity theft or fraud. Security alerts. Get notified if your device has been accessed or tampered with. Popular apps. Find My iPhone, Apple's built-in service that helps you locate and remotely lock your iPhone. Find My Device, Google, for Android users, helps locate and lock their phones or tablets. Prey Anti-Theft, a cross-platform solution that tracks devices and offers remote wiping features. Travel insurance apps. What they are. Travel insurance apps provide coverage for medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost baggage, and more, ensuring you're protected from the unexpected during your travels. How they work. These apps often let you purchase and manage travel insurance policies directly from your phone. Many also offer emergency assistance services and allow you to submit claims on the go. Benefits. Comprehensive coverage. Protect yourself from common travel mishaps like cancellations and medical emergencies. Easy claims process. File claims through the app for faster reimbursement. 24/7 assistance access emergency assistance anytime, anywhere. Popular apps World Nomads, a travel insurance provider known for covering adventurous activities. Allianz Travel Insurance provides a mobile platform for managing travel insurance and emergency support. AXA Travel Insurance offers an easy-to-use app for filing claims and managing policies. Conclusion: why you need travel security apps. Traveling comes with its own set of challenges, but using the right security apps can make a world of difference in keeping you safe, secure, and prepared for any situation. From protecting your personal information online to ensuring quick access to emergency assistance, these apps are essential tools for any traveler. Ready to embark on your next adventure? Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and updates on how to stay safe while exploring the world. Subscribe for more adventures. Happy travels!